Good Friday evening, everyone. I hope everybody has had a great week. The weather has been nothing short of perfect, really every single day over the past couple of days, which is much needed considering how yucky it was this past week. And the good thing is that all that rain really helped to wipe away the drought across the southwestern PD and the entire low country. The drought is completely gone in those parts of South Carolina. Now, across the central and the northern PD, there is still a little bit of a drought ongoing, but considering where we were this time last week, we have made significant progress. Absolutely great news concerning the drought monitor across the Palmetto State. Now, if you are a fan of the weather that we have been having over the past couple of days, you are in luck because heading into this weekend and even into the upcoming work week, it is not going anywhere anytime soon, all thanks to high pressure reigning supreme just off the southeastern coastline of the U.S. This weather is going to be so amazing that Chief Meteorologist Bill Walsh and I are calling this the Dome of Delight, simply because it is creating such delightful weather all across the southern and eastern half of the nation. Meanwhile, an area low pressure and a storm system is moving its way eastward as we head into this upcoming weekend, and gradually heading into your Sunday. This will move into our state, but by the time it gets to us, it's barely going to have any moisture with it, so that will only lead to a very small chance of rain as we head into your Sunday. Most of you will be staying dry under partly cloudy skies, but just keep the rain gear on hand to be safe if you do have any outdoor plans on Sunday evening. Again, most of you will be staying dry under partly cloudy skies. Your house hunting forecast for this weekend could not be better if you are planning to go look for the house of your dreams right here in the beautiful city of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Temperatures starting out in the mid-50s for your morning, climbing into the low to mid-70s for your afternoon. Temperatures will then gradually fall back into the upper 60s to around 70 for your evening. Heading into your Sunday, again, aside from that very small chance of rain in the evening, forecast looks great under partly sunny skies. Temperatures starting out in the mid-60s will be climbing into the mid to upper 70s for your afternoon. And then temperatures will gradually fall back into the low to mid-70s for your evening. Both Saturday and Sunday look absolutely perfect for all outdoor activities you may have planned. Let's turn our attention to what is going on in the tropics. We have made it through the middle of October without a single U.S. landfalling hurricane. Absolutely amazing news. And by the looks of things, that trend is going to continue for another week, possibly even longer than that. We've got a tropical wave moving its way eastward. It's going to be moving its way westward across the MDR, or the main development region in the Atlantic Ocean. And as it goes into the central and the eastern Caribbean Sea, the National Hurricane Center is giving us about a 30% chance of becoming a named storm over the next 7 days. Where will it go once it forms? We have no idea. Some of our spaghetti plots show it meandering here in the central Caribbean Sea. Some of them have it going into Central America, and then some of them even have it going northward into Puerto Rico, and then gradually just moving northward into the middle of nowhere in the North Atlantic Ocean. Bottom line, there is no signs of this ever coming anywhere close to the U.S. or the Carolinas, so bottom line, it's nothing to worry about whatsoever. And then last but not least, we have a big area of low pressure that is being monitored several hundred miles off the U.S. East Coast. The National Hurricane Center has given this a 10% chance of becoming a named storm over the next 7 days. Bottom line, it is moving out to sea, far away from the U.S., and poses no threat to anyone whatsoever. So bottom line, there is nothing to worry about in the tropics over the next 7 to 10 days, and our stretch of no U.S. landfalling hurricanes continue. Here's a look at your extended 10-day forecast, proudly brought to you by 100 Plumbing Services. Aside from a very small chance of rain on Sunday evening, the forecast looks perfect every single day, with temperatures in the 70s, overnight lows falling into the 50s, and heading inland, it gets even better. Small chance of rain Sunday evening, otherwise abundant sunshine every single day. Highs in the 70s, overnight lows in the upper 40s to around 50. Hope you all have a great weekend.